Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to manage a business. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to manage a business. Managing a business requires a range of skills and knowledge, and it can be helpful to use academic sources to support your management strategies. Number 1. Establish a clear vision and goals. Develop a vision statement and set clear, achievable goals for your business. According to Robbins and Coulter 2019, goal setting theory can help motivate employees and improve organizational performance. Number 2, develop a business plan. Use resources such as Small Business Administration to create a comprehensive business plan that includes a market analysis, competition, financial projections, and market strategies. Number 3, organize your team. Hire and train employees who align with your business values and goals. Use effective communication strategies such as active listening to foster positive relationship with your team. That's number 3. Number 4, manage your finances. Keep track of your financial performance and create a budget that includes revenue, expenses, and cash flow projections. Use financial management strategies such as cost-benefit analysis to make informed decisions. Number 5, monitor and analyze performance. Use key performance indicators or KPIs such as sales, customer satisfaction, and employees' productivity to track your business performance. Analyze data to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Number 6, adapt to changes. Stay up to date on industry trends and be prepared to adapt your business strategies accordingly. Use resources such as academic journals to stay informed and make informed decisions. So we have here the reference that I use in this presentation, Robbins SP Collier 2019 Management 14th edition by Person. And then we have here Small Business Administration 2021 How to Write a Business Plan with their link in the internet. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation or tutorial video on how to manage a business. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.